Question 12. The authors would be most likely to agree. So this is another inference question because it says most likely. Unlike the last question, we're not looking for something they disagree about. We're looking for something they agree about. And specifically, it says on the answer to which of the following questions regarding musical capacity in humans. So this is something they agree about concerning musical capacity. Answer choice A says, does it manifest itself in some form in early infancy? The author of passage B would say that it does, because the author of passage B thinks that music comes from the mother-child interactions while the child is an infant. But the author of passage A never says anything about this, so I don't know what they would think. So go to answer choice B. Does it affect the strength of mother-infant bonds? Well, the author of passage B would definitely say it does. That was the passage B's whole point. But passage A never talked about mother-child bonds, so I don't know what passage A would think about that, so that's not the answer. Go on to answer choice C. Is it, and by it we mean musical ability, at least partially a result of evolutionary increases in brain size? Now, if you've done the other questions, you know that brain size is something that both authors mention when they talk about music. Is it at least partly a result of that? Sure, they would both agree. Passage A says that music evolved as brain size increased. Passage B says that in the course of human evolution, brain size increased rapidly, and at the same time we got music. So they both agree that it has something to do with the evolution of music. So C is our answer. Let's see why D and E aren't. So D says, did its evolution spur the development of new neurological systems? The author of passage A would say yes, but I don't know what the author of passage B would say because the author of passage B doesn't mention new neurological systems. Answer choice E, why does it vary so greatly among different individuals? Now, passage A mentions that it does vary, but doesn't give an explanation of why it varies. And then passage B doesn't mention that it varies at all. So this isn't our answer. The answer is answer choice C.